Understanding pruning, a guide to a versatile English phrase. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to delve into, the word pruning. It's a word you might have heard in different contexts. And today we're going to unravel its meanings and learn how to use it in various sentences. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Pruning primarily refers to the action of trimming or cutting away the dead or overgrown branches or stems of a plant. This is done to encourage growth and maintain the plant's health. For example, the gardener spent the afternoon pruning the rose bushes to ensure they bloom beautifully next spring. 2.1 in Gardening and Agriculture. In gardening and agriculture, pruning is a crucial activity. It helps in shaping the plant, encouraging flower and fruit development, and removing dead or diseased wood. 2.2 in Business and Management. In business and management, the term pruning can be used metaphorically to describe the process of eliminating unproductive or unprofitable parts of a business. For example, a company might prune its product line by discontinuing products that are not selling well. 2.3 in Personal Development. Similarly, pruning can refer to the process of eliminating negative influences or habits from one's life, as a way of fostering personal growth and development. 3.1 Positive Context. Regular pruning of the garden helps in maintaining its beauty and vitality. 3.2 Negative Context. The new manager's first decision was a pruning of the workforce, resulting in several layoffs. 3.3 Neutral Context. Pruning your contact list can help in decluttering your social media. Do not confuse pruning with just cutting or chopping. Pruning has a purpose of improvement and maintenance. Be mindful of the context in which you use the word, as it can have both positive and negative connotations. And that's a wrap on our journey through the word pruning. We've explored its meanings, its applications in different contexts, and how to use it in sentences. Remember, understanding the nuances of a word can significantly enhance your language skills and boost your confidence in communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.